Hi, my name is Haraldur, and I'm the Director of Business Development at Landsvirkjun, the national power company of Iceland. In today's digital world, data collection, storage, and processing are growing at an incredible rate. I think it's safe to say that the future of every business and all our lives depend on data. Everyone, from global tech giants to industry powerhouses, need to be smart when they choose where to locate their data centers. When deciding on a data center location, there are a number of difficult considerations to be made. A business needs to have complete confidence in the country housing their data center. We believe it all comes down to securing a site that is sustainable, stable, and able. As Iceland's largest power producer, with 100% renewable power generation, we play our part in making Iceland the sustainable choice. But it's not only renewable energy that makes Iceland sustainable. When combined, a wider utilization of natural resources, a cool climate, and long-term climate ambitions, it's clear why the country has become a compelling choice for sustainably focused data centers. And we also offer stability. We offer stable power delivery, a stable environment, a stable government, and stable regulations. Iceland offers some of the most competitive power contracts around, including long-term price stability and visibility. Finally, a sustainable and stable site for a data center won't mean much if there isn't the right support network in place. A young, educated, and an internationally minded workforce combined with an attractive business environment makes Iceland able to support our growing data center industry. As we've been through, the choice of a data center's location is influenced by many factors. And it's important to look ahead into the future and see where your operations can best grow and thrive in the long term. You can count on Iceland striving to be the sustainable, stable, and able choice for the future. If you want to know more about what Landsvirkjun, the national power company of Iceland, offers, please reach out to me, and I or my team will be happy to help. Thank you.